That was worse. Let's look let's look at the sun. That didn't help. Change camera. No, that's not good. That's bad. That's no, stop. Blah. Oh no. Out of power. Out of power. Gonna be okay? Should be okay. Probably okay. Barely okay. Ooh. Out of juice. That's not cool. Wait. Was that it? Was that out of juice or was that out of fuel? No, I was out of juice. Somehow my lights are still on, but I'm out of juice. Well, that was terrifying. Okay. Well, we did it, kind of. I should wait. I should wait for the sun. Yes. That's the smart thing to do. Far away. Well, almost there. That's not too bad. Okay. Let's hope we don't hit anything on the way. Oh, we hit something on the way. We hit two things on the way. Ooh, so close. It's taking forever. Taking 6 ever. More than 4. Getting a little close to those rocks there. Get in the rocks. You gotta be kidding me. No, you're probably not kidding me. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit the rock. Oh, I'm still gonna hit the rock. No. Okay, yeah, fine. Probably fine. Okay. This rover. Probably gonna stay here. Yeah. I was gonna be driving it back, but not gonna do that. Anyway, we have completed the mission, I think. Mission has been completed. We have. Alright. Money. Anyway, welcome back. This is Frustrating Rover Simulator, or KSP. I think I might be done taking rover missions, unless I get the really big wheels. Because this was a pain. Of course, I could have disabled collisions. I probably should have disabled collisions. That's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Anyway, like I said, welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. Let's get back to our lander and hope it doesn't blow up. Oh, hey, we were within range. Were we? No. Yes. No. Okay. Well, whatever. Okay, what do we need to do here? Let's do all the science. That's not how you do all the science. This is how you do all the science. Yes. Alright, fine. Alright, scientists, get out there. Okay. Go ahead and restore everything. And don't disassemble it. Please don't. There's no confirmation on that, so you gotta be careful. Why am I not close enough yet? Ooh, that's gonna be bad. Like data, restore. Okay, cool. Alright, get back in there. Don't break anything. All right. Okay. I forgot to fix the time. We do this here. Do it here. Sure. All right. Cool. Circle in. There we go. All right. We got everything. Everything's great. We need to do. We got everything done. Collected everything. I can do that here. Okay. All right. So we got everything we're gonna get. All right. Let's get back to. Terrible, but we'll get there anyway. All right. Let me get back to Minmus Greater Flats base. And I'll bring you back. It'll be interesting because I got something to show you, and then we'll go back to the Space Center and look at the money. Which I probably do. Yeah. Let's just do that now. All right. You'll all be fine. All right. And we're back. Okay. It took a while. All right. So if you look, we got some money. We got lots of the money. Because I've been grinding, as you can tell by the contracts. Message is gone. Oh, I guess okay, that's fine. Then we put a bunch of moon satellites, rescued lots of Kerbals. Third station. More science data. Those are kind of free. More moon sats, more rescues. Yeah. That was pretty good. We attached a part. That was good. Those were pretty good money. New satellite. Rescue again. Repair a satellite. Rescue. Recovery. Rescue. Recovery. All right. One more. All right. So we got a lot. Okay. We're getting close to the end. All right. Status. Gather sources. I was saving that. No. Well. I'm confused. I was saving that. Did something happen? Is that from like a reload? It must be from like a reload. Okay. User Minmus surface generated 2 side. Who? Okay. I don't think that's true. I don't think that's right. Anyway, because that's what we're going to do. I didn't do that. And that was the one we just did, the Rover. Oh, cool. All right. So this is all that I've saved for today. Because it's taken me a long time to get here. And it's all just grind. It's grindy space science. We got good, and I've all been working toward upgrading this because we get some unowned object tracking. Go ahead and upgrade that. Bam! Oh, upgraded. All right, cool. No more money. So now we're fully upgraded there. I'm not touching that yet. Fully upgraded here. Fully upgraded here, fully upgraded here. Have not upgraded to Astronaut Complex because I get all the Kerbals I want by rescuing them. Do need to upgrade the administration building, but we'll think about that in a minute. Because I wanted this so I could get unowned object tracking. Because there's supposed to be a science experiment to detect a comet or detect something, I think. Let's see, comet. Or an asteroid or something like that. No. Oh, here's some. What are these? Got scanning tech. Asteroids. Okay, so this right here. Have I put one of these up yet? I think I might have put one of these up already. Alright, well, anyway, if I have, good, great. Because it should be searching for an asteroid. So, do we have one now? I'm going to try to... I don't want to grind anymore. We actually need to start doing some stuff. I do need to put out something on the sun. Because we're going to have to grab our... I'm going to put one of those in there. We need to grab our asteroids and stuff. I don't like doing that. And that, we do need to get off. We do need to get out of our local system, our system, or whatever Kerbin, Minmus, and Moon are, and go actually start exploring the system. Then Interstellar. Okay, so I don't really have anything yet. Maybe it'll take a while. Or then again, maybe I already have objects in here. I've really actually grabbed an asteroid once. Ever playing. It was cool, and then I crashed. And then I kept crashing. Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Oh, so much stuff. Okay. Have unknown objects yet? Ooh. Oh, we do. Ooh. I ain't touching that one. Gargantuan. Because I need to try to find a small one. I forget what is that. A class? Alright, so I guess I'm just gonna let that tick around for a bit. Oh, hey, found another one. B, small. Ooh, okay, so this is they'll just show up. So the goal is to grab one of these. We'll see if we can get a contract, because I need money. Oh my gosh, do I need money? Anyway, let's get, let's just go to the pivot entry. Oh, please don't explode. Please don't blow up. Ooh, okay. Nothing blowed up? Nothing blowed up. Alright, cool. As you can see, it's a little different. I mined a lot of ore. Like a whole bunch of ore. Like a crazy amount of ore. Which is great, because that was the intention. However, it started to break joints. It started to break these things. So I tried a few things. I think part of the issue is this ground tether, but I'm too afraid to touch it. So I made a little modifications. It looks like these flexible hoses don't have a problem, which is great. That makes a lot of sense. These, even though they're free, still have an issue. But I think it was mostly this because I think it's at the extreme. So what I did is I just moved the connection up here. It works because I've also put these things up here, give them a little bit more room. Still got power issues on this, unfortunately. Anyway, as you can tell, I have made a lot of monopropellant. The next thing I need to do is liquid fuel. I think it's still making. Let's go ahead and stop that for now. And I think these are stable. I probably shouldn't say that, but I think they're stable enough because, you know, I added struts up here to keep them from wiggling around and doing things. So hopefully the Kraken will not visit us. Maybe. Because the issue is also whenever you dock these, it kind of does some weird stuff. So I don't know. I don't feel good about it. But we're going to continue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I could probably shrink the mulch. The mulch is loading up crazy there. Take some of that mulch. Yeah, the fertilizer conversion is terrible. I tested that out. Ugh. but you know, it's practically free except for the energy. We've got plenty of monopropellant. I technically could launch this again. I don't want to, but I could. Funding material kits. I don't need them yet, but I might. I forgot that does not continue transferring if you click off it. Sure. Alright, leave these up. That'll work. Alright, cool. Alright, so I want to make a landing pad. That would be so cool. But I don't really know if I want to take the time to do it, and we are really kind of sitting at the danger zone here with all this stuff. There's too much stuff around like this randomly jumped over here and like, collided with that. So that's not cool. Oh, I don't know. And plus, it's every time I do it, it costs money. I'm thinking of playing around with the whole wolf's setup here. Because I could Hello? Well, I'm gonna have to do a read on that, but apparently what you can do with USIS is you can convert your bases to like a resource, like just like an imaginary base that you can't really go to, but they generate stuff and you can use like the wolf to go down, get resources, bring them back up, etc. It's kind of, I don't want to do it until I've proven that I can do it if I wanted to, because it does lower the immersion, let's just say. But I think it's complete. Hey, I'm talking here. Okay. I think it's completely doable. Still have to figure out how to do it, and it would be less breaky. it would break less things. Because my ultimate goal before we start exploring the interstellar stars is I want to put an asteroid around Minmus. That'd be cool. Put an asteroid around here, and then use it as a station for refueling and building things. Because hopefully we can pull we can mine it and everything like that, and hopefully we'll get some good resources out of it. Like, because here's another way we could potentially make money, and it might be kind of how we get over the hump of not having enough money and me having to grind and wasting days before making an episode. We might be able to find like uranium and stuff like that on this planet. During orbits. Where's the thing? Where's the thing? Where are you? There you are. Because we might be able to find resource type. Let's see. Exotic minerals. I think that's it. Rare metals, maybe. Because like we have uranium, uranite. Well, I just want to overlay. Can I just project it? No. Minmus. I'll put it on here. Sure, there's a way. Oh, it's down here, isn't it? Oh, there we go. Alright, so let's say we do uranium. There's nothing. There's no uranium. I thought there'd be some. That'd be great. Doesn't help that it's the same color, right? But that also means there's probably no spots with like a whole bunch of uranium. So that's unfortunate. Rare metals? Ooh. There's some rare metals here. Just not where we landed. Actually, no, exactly where... No. Exactly where we landed. Ooh, this could be good. There are rare metals in the... I'm gonna have to do a little research because I think I can sell like rare metals. What about exotic minerals? Anything exotic minerally on over here? Opposite side. I'll have to do a little research because one of these you can like, supposedly you can mine and like sell back to Kerbin. That'd be cool. I think it might be rare metals. Yeah, we're like, okay, I had to think about that. All right, so that's the thing. That's a thing. Some over here. Why is it still not patched together? That frustrates me. Did I just do it wrong? I've got to move whatever satellite that is. Clean water, probably up the poles, right? Yeah, makes more sense. Upstream, everywhere. Dirt. Oh, dirt. Yeah, I'm wasting exotic minerals. I was already rare metals. Rare metals. Okay. It looks like, yeah, the high concentration of rare metals in the, of course, unfortunately, kind of not right where I landed. Right? It's like, for some reason, like where I chose to land, it has the least concentration. So that's typical. Although I could just put something out. I could just get a rover or something, move it over here. There are ideas. We all have ideas. We're all entitled to opinions, even if they're wrong. That's the plan. That's the ultimate plan. That's the plan to make money. Got good money now, but you know it's going to cost a lot to do things. But that's the goal. And like as I said, this may or may not be a problem, but I want to kind of prove that I can land and do stuff, etc. As needed to do things, and then we can mess with that wolf system, and then maybe planetary, like the colonization think, and you can like convert it into a thing. Ooh, interesting. Okay, well, let's mess around. Maybe you should run the game before playing. All right. Okay, cool. So let me land again. We're gonna take another scientist, maybe, or at least another pilot, because this thing can't keep up with all these Kerbals. So we need to, cull the herd a bit. Don't do that. Anyway, I'll be right back. We're fine. Scoot forward a little bit. Dangerous. Actually not. Let's not be dangerous. I'll really fix that. Ooh, cool. Ooh, neat. Alright, cool. Success! Look at us. Succeeding! That's a success. Anyway, a 3 Delta V. Alright. That was getting a little close. Alright. Switch vessels real quick, make sure nothing broke. All connected. Alright, we're still good. Alright, cool. The quick saves, silly happens. And we're gonna get I'm gonna get our engineer out here. Level up? No. Alright, Melgar. You're gonna need to do some some work out here. Turn on your RCS because I don't want you breaking anything. Close enough. Grab this one. You are. Go ahead and put that right about there. When you need your leads, you're out. There you go. All right, now. And grab it. Grab connector. This is my part. It's way too close. Oh no! 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 What did you do? What did you do? Why'd you do that? Well, what? I mean, I didn't need it, but darn it! You broke the radiator. Dang it! We needed that. Well, we kind of didn't. I think we have enough radiators, but still. Yeah. Mad about it. I got repair kits. I hope. Oh. All right, attach connector. Here we go. Okay, cool. Omega, you're gonna need to stay back in the... Oh no. There's a repair kit. You don't... It got a parachute. I mean, a parachute. Sorry. You know, I don't really need it. Let's just not worry about it. Pretty sure I got repair kits somewhere around here. Oh, I really doubt I do, but that's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. We can do other things. Man. Yeah. That's all that breaks. It's actually not that bad. I think we got plenty of radiators, so we'll be fine. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, please don't, no, 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 please no, please no, no, please. Let's try this again. There's a board there. Oh, interesting. It's not, oh, the bear. Okay, man. Terrifying. Alright. I can't believe I broke that. Well, I can. I can definitely believe I broke that. Darn it. Inventory? We may not have repair kits. Oh, there they are. Yeah, we're fine. Okay. Lanny. Knew we had some. Why did you doubt me? All the things that could be doubted. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this works, because I had a little freak out every time I try to do this docking port here. Oh, please, 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 no. No, 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 no. What are you doing? What are you doing? No. Please stop. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. What's going on? What's going on? Please stop. What are you doing? Why are you doing this? Please, 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 please. I'll pull these up. Oh, I gotta. Here. If I do the docking port, what happens? I tell it to dock. Yep, it's freaking out. It's freaking out. No, 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 it's freaking out. Okay. Okay, whatever. You know what? As long as it doesn't... Maybe we'll just be quick. Okay. What about the science? Science gets transferred over. Alright, science got transferred over. We're good. Alright, now. I'm going to take some... I'm going to take the pilot. We don't need a pilot. Actually, don't do anything. DuPont, why don't you go over here? Squeeze through that tube. Kerbals are all states of matter at once. That's why they're so resilient. Now what? We don't need this. This lab is painful. I need one more scientist for the Bob, Tamal, or Gilgri. Elgar, you're staying. Bob, you might go. And Bob. Alright, so we're good to go. Go ahead and we've got plenty of I'm doing this. I'm using this research. So we got 1 to 5 over here. It's better than this over here. But this is more efficient. This takes a long time. This is less efficient, but it goes real fast. So we're gonna do that. Oh yeah, I was gonna move some guys, and I must have to put them in there. Ooh. I think I got a pump going on here, don't I? No, I certainly put supplies in. Did I forget to put supplies in here? Did forget to put supplies. Really? Okay. We're fine. Everything's fine. I don't want to keep doing that. Alright, so what else do we need to take or leave? We need fuel. We need fuel. Yeah, I need a lot of fuel. See if I can break it. Propellant. Oh, no. It only goes between... Excuse me? Okay, well that's not gonna work. Everything's fine. What? Be close. Close. Okay. So we gotta do it the hard way. Propellant. You know what, maybe I can just turn them all on like this. Mono propellant. There we go. And just send it wherever. Oh, we're gonna be here a while. I think I could physics work without a problem. Yeah, let's try it. All right. That's probably good. Darn it. Get the supplies. Well, but thought I did it. Must not have. That's fine. I don't mind, because we got plenty of monopropellant. Alright. I can't take the mulch. I'm kind of low on mulch up there, but these Kerbals will make some mulch. We got plenty of supplies. Huh. Are you making supplies? Where's the thing? This thing. Colony inventory. Supplies. Oh, it's making 2 per second. No, it's losing 2 per second. Is that how that works? Yeah, red's probably losing 2 per second. All right. But soon we will be off this rock. I think that's everything I need. All right. Good. Good. You're good. I'm good. Everything's good. All right. We're good. Quick save for chaos. Now, the quick save. I don't remember seeing it. All right. So we got to. We're going to do some weird stuff here. We're going to turn these on. Going to undock. Probably going to hop. There we go. Do a little hop. Go ahead and disconnect that connector because we're ready to go. Hello, come on, click on it. Click on it. And you know, I forgot a scientist. No, pilot, scientist. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll leave 4 scientists here. That seems reasonable. Probably a good idea. I can do that. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Which way am I going? I'm going that way, not this way. Oh my gosh, this way. We'll never can figure out which direction's up. That's not what I'm. All right, let's get back to the station. Get 3 science labs going, as I probably destroy stuff by pushing the dust in there, and we'll think about. Adding some, actually I could probably convert one of these tanks once I use up all the ore. Switch one of these things into like a exotic minerals, or what is it, rare minerals. Sell them back to Kerbin. That's an idea. Cool. It might be a thing. We could make millions of dollars by just dropping them right back on Kerbin. Hopefully as close to the KSC as possible. That'll be interesting. That'd be really cool. I want to do that. Ooh. All right. Anyway, seems as my no thrust rate 3. Aren't you going faster? Oh wow. Why is it so slow? Why are you slow? Just go. ECA. Engine grouped off, so what's causing this? You know what's doing that, let me know. Is it because I've got it slightly off balance? Maybe that's what that is. Fine. Hope I'm going the right way. I think I am. I need some orbits. I am going the wrong way. Maybe that's why it's been so hard for me to... Yeah, because I want to go that way. And I'm going the wrong way. It's fine. We're still early on in our launch. Man, we got plenty of delta V. Plenty of monoprop. Won't dare physics warp. Alright. We're good. I'll meet you back at the space station. Then we'll think about, we'll figure out how... Actually, I guess I can talk while we're going. The goal is to clean up Minmus a little bit. Get rid of some of these satellites that aren't relays, and get the pole here, or that's where the science experiment is, and get this completed. I did have the message saying something was, but I didn't do it, so maybe it was just a bug, or maybe I had to reload for some reason. Yeah, we'll just decommission some of these sats, some of the older ones. Are we good yet? Yeah, our TWR is going up a little bit. And docked. Ooh, terrifying. Alright. Actually been a pretty goat little station here. Alright. Okay. For the docking autopilot. It leaves a little bit to be desired, but as long as you line it up, it seems to work okay. As long as you do the majority of the work. Whatever. Okay, let's get these. Oh, you could probably just stick. No, actually, who's in here? Let's go ahead and transfer. That's a pilot. Pilot goes in the thing. There you go. Now, wait a minute. There you go. Transfer crew. Bob, why don't you go over here and get to work? Do something useful for once. I'm sorry, Bob. Sorry, Bob. I didn't mean that. Okay. Level up crew. Nobody. All right. So we're getting 30 science a day. Holy moly! Oh man, I need to get some stored data here. Oh no, I took it down. Ah, it's fine. I can get it back. We'll be fine. If I need to make a landing, I'll make a landing. Ah, well, darn it. Full of data. Alright, I'm just... leave that there. Okay. So, we're cranking out the science here. Woo, light. I'm going to go ahead and make me a reminder. Science is 400, so let's fix that. Add alarm. Alright. Ooh, cool. Alright, cool. Now, we do a quick save. Because our goal is to... this one. Alright. We do have... there's the seismic thing. Alright, so... alright, so there's actually hasn't been anything, so I don't know what's going on here. So is it... did I do it right? Sorry. Gather surface deployed seismic sensor of the surface deployed seismic. Okay, that's this one. So I haven't done anything. Used. Do I not have the power? Power produced 4. Total power needed 3. Total power to 8. Connected. Connected, powered. Okay, we're good. Connected. Oh, well, I guess we really don't need that, do we? Can I turn it off? Oh, darn. Anyway, that's fine. Alright, so I have to make sure... ooh. Freaky. I don't like that at all. Please stop. Please stop that. Oh my gosh. Please stop that. Oh my gosh. That's the relay. Let's oh, that's kind of probably still necessary. Yeah, go switch here. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this guy does not have a relay. So it's kind of useless to me. Or gal, I don't know. Oh man. Is this a thing now? Oh. Okay, whatever. Let's just not worry about it. Okay, so I want to set this as a target. Set as target. And then I want to do some shenanigans here. I'll just go ahead and do landing. Actually, no. Let's do a big target on map. And we're going to slam right there. All right. Now, touchdown speed is going to be 600 meters per second. Let's see what happens. Save. Quick save first. No, we don't need this. Get rid of that. Gotta make sure it's during day 2. We'll see if I need to. I've actually never successfully done this. I think it's all been by accident. But I believe how you're supposed to do it is I think you're supposed to make sure you have can't think while I'm talking. I think you have to make sure you have this selected when you hit the ground. Like you have this active. Otherwise it might lose focus, so it doesn't count as hit the ground. We are definitely going to hit the ground. You know what? I'm gonna abort that because I don't know. We got plenty of delta V. It's actually quite a waste. But let's go ahead and just circularize right there. How about that? That way we can know exactly when we need to hit the ground. Yeah, okay, let's just do that. Okay. Planar, next, alright. Alright, so I have to be able to make sure that's in the sunlight. So I'm gonna probably need to, I mean, it's on the poles, so it's probably in the perpetual sunlight, which is awesome. But I don't want to count that happening. So let's do see if I can get this moving around a bit further. Nope. Too fast. Every time. I want this a little bit further. I think it might work. Let me go ahead and set an alarm for this so I can just jump right back to it. And let's jump here. Okay, good thing I checked. Because I don't think it'll available 8, but there's no sun. I mean, there is a little bit of sun, but they're facing the wrong way, so Let's fast forward a little bit here. As soon as these turn, we're gonna hit the planet. Oh darn it, I forgot the set. Forgot the timer. Alright, let's just leave that up here. Oh, hey, perfect timing. Alright. We have power. Definitely have power. Okay. Reduced 8. Alright, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have plenty of shit. Okay, we're here. Hope we have power. We probably have power. That's fine. Alright, so now my goal is to hit that target. But I'm going to pick a different target. Pick far away. And it's probably not close enough to worry about, but let's just go there. Find a target at 600 meters per second. No, what the heck? What's going on? What? No, my shaders. No, my shaders. Oh. Okay, turned off. Sure. Okay. Fix the shaders. Cool. Alright, here we go. See if this is a bad idea or a really bad idea. There it is. Turn that off, it's scary. We're good. All right, now we hit the ground. Let's hope we're far enough away. All right, let's see what happens with physics warp. Makes me wonder if I should just use this. I could do surface velocity. Means I shouldn't okay. Shouldn't change my destination. Yeah, cool. Alright, we're doing this. Let's do this. Whew. Alright. No do-overs. Nosedive! Oh! Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Ooh, we're going hard. Okay, we get a distant destination. 2 kilometers away. Perfect. Turbo speed. Turbo mode. Alright, we're going to hit 140, 150. Watch the carnage. Boom! Oh, hey, we're still going. We're still going. Ooh, I'm throwing up a little bit. Here's something going. You doing that? Oh, please stop wiggling. Oh, man. Okay, I'm getting a little sick here, actually. Let's get some interface so I can focus on something. Let's look at the space. That was worse. Let's look let's look at the sun. That didn't help. Change camera. No, that's not good. That's bad. That's no, stop. Okay, all right, look, so that's not too bad. Ooh. Are we in orbit? Holy moly. Almost going back to orbit. Let's it'll be out of power before, so let's just oh, actually that's much better. All right. What do we get? Deployed stars at sun, distance attenuation, energy 7. Okay. Stars void. Impact energy, destination, setup. All right. And what do we get? Excuse me? Excuse me? You had power. Oh no. Oh no. That's gonna be a few more hits, isn't it? Well, good thing we have millennia junk. Okay, alright. I'm gonna be slamming the planet for a bit. Maybe I'll have a montage with explosions. That'd be kind of cool, actually. All right, and we get to breaking. Here we go, slamming. Wiggly, 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 wiggly. That's gonna go to space. I'm not gonna worry about that. That's a problem. That's a big problem. What happened? Ah, even better. Yeah. Oh, I forgot because I had my interface turned off. And we did it! That was so easy. No, that was actually pretty cool. Wow. Okay, so that was just one more. I was gonna have like a big montage of me slamming the planet, but that's just one because that was a big one. It was an old satellite I forgot about. All right, cool. Wow. Let's see what happened here. Surface energy 3, distance was 58. 50. Oh, because these are all little pieces. Oh, that's cool because it's broke apart. I got more science. Ooh, it's moving. Please stop moving. Oh, cool. And cool. And cool. And cool. All right. We did it. Ah, thanks for your help. I appreciate it. Okay, cool. Space Center. In 13 days? That's not cool. That's fine. Space Center. All right, we're here. Messages. Cool. Got enough science. Let's check out our tech tree. So, some interesting stuff to get here. I'm going to have to think about it. That's not really a lot because we have all of these nodes. This mod pack is filled with everything. I don't know if it's a mod pack anymore. If I put it in there. Well, anyway, can't afford those anyway. Alright, so there's some more interesting things. Improved nuclear propulsion. I'm thinking, where's my ion? Right here. This might be our goal to get to start sending probes out. Anyway. Okay. Let's check contracts real quick. There we go. Look at you. Already have one. And it's lame. Well, I thought it was going to be cool. So let's go ahead and take this to start exploring the sun. Because we've got to get out there. Anyway, so let's just do this before it expires. We don't have anything. I'm not doing these. These you have to launch the whole thing fully constructed. That's crazy. More of these. I mean, I guess if I need some more Kerbals. Well, I was kind of hoping to get like a, I think I need to wait for a, maybe we need to get to the sun, explore the sun. Maybe that'll be the next episode, and maybe it'll be a short one or a long one. I don't know. The short ones can turn to long ones. Long ones into short ones. All right. Let's see what we got. What orbits out here? Look at our stuff. Where's my stuff? Hello? No. Oh, maybe I've turned the orb. I turned the orbit off. Okay. All right, there's our stuff we found. Huge? No. Huge? No. Massive? No. Massive? No. Huge. Small? Huge. And gargantuan. You're not going to get any small ones. Of course, as we orbit, we will get more. So that's something to think about. Because really, if you look at it, it only really detects the ones that we could have a chance to get out to. So this is going to be our thing for next time. Is we're going to have to do some. We probably have to sign. I may send a station out there. I don't know. We'll see. It might be simple. I don't know. We'll see what I got. Anyway, let me get back to the Space Center. Okay. Finish loading. All right, cool. All right, so that's enough. That's this episode. We're done. Pretty. This. I can do that. That's fine. All right, there we go. That's pretty neat looking. Black Rock's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for this episode. Next time, I think I'm going to see if I can launch a solar science station. That might be overkill. It might not be worth the effort or minus. But I'm going to try it. So if you made it this long, and I hope you have, thanks for listening and watching. And please give me a like. If you like all of this and you want to see more, give me a subscribe. Also doing a playthrough of Space Engineers 2, the update. We'll see how far that one's going. So far I like it. We'll see what happens. And like I said, if you want to see more of this stuff, subscribe. I don't think I said that. I might have. Anyway, I'm going to call it. I'm already. It's way too much time rambling into this microphone. Anyway, thanks for watching again, and goodbye. Pretty.